Hello everyone, we are back with another topic of advanced pivot table techniques, that is adding data bars to the pivot table. So these types of data bars are very helpful for the people who are doing any pictorial view of the data in the office or in professional environment, or they are making any dashboards, and those dashboards are linked to the pivot table. So we have already created a pivot table for this data having sales amount and the brands associated to it. Now we have to represent this sales value in a bar. So to do that, we need to go to the conditional formatting, data bars, more rules. Here is the catch. This is the important point. So we have to be very cautious by selecting the pointers here. There are three options coming. In our case, we have to create a bars using the sales amount. So we'll be selecting the second value. But in case you need to incorporate the brand values with that, so you need to click on the third option. So currently we are going with the second option. I don't want any data legends to be shown. I want only the bars. Now you can choose colors and border format as per your requirement. Now click OK. Now my requirement is not to show the heading. So I go to the header column, press F2 and delete the name. Now you can't simply remove the name. It will give you an error message like this. So to do that, we can enter a space so that a pivot table read this as an header. Now one thing to be noted, when we refresh this column, see the data bar column got auto fitted with correspondence to the header. To avoid such situations, you need to go to the pivot table option, pivot table analyze, then go to the on the left hand side top side you can see the pivot table name, then there is an option, then you need to click option. Now you need to check out this auto fit column width to on update. So I drag this up to make a big cell so that anyone can view that. If now when again if I refresh the pivot table, that auto fit is off, so it not get squeezed basis the header. Now to represent or to show a proper view what this bar represent, I am dragging again sales amount to sales value. Sorry. Now it gives a look where anyone can anyone can judge by reading it that this is the brand, this is sales amount, and this is the bar basis the total sales. Hope this topic is clear. If you have any doubt, please post your queries in the comment section and I will reply back on your comments, or I will cover the same in my next topic. Thank you so much.